Ever notice how you hiccup right after a big drink and wonder what just happened to your body? In everyday meals, tiny air pockets slip into the esophagus and trigger a rhythmic spasm. The diaphragm contracts involuntarily because cold drinks or swallowed air irritate the nerve that governs it. Most hiccups fade as the breathing pattern returns to normal, and taking slow breaths can reliably calm the nerve. So when a hiccup strikes after a snack, is it merely a reflex or a playful reminder to slow down and breathe thoughtfully?